blazing through Greece and Turkey have horrified.
Across the East Coast.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, Quezon City.
You're watching Science News Update.
For today's Science News headline,
Environmental destruction, cause of society.
waste management for our aquatic animals.
Environmental destruction, cause of society. Let's hear from Mr. Daniel.
Thank you so much, Raven. It is news in our nation that so many trees in the Philippines are being destroyed and damaged by the people. People ruining our natural environment so that they construct and stand. Here in our nation, there are a lot of buildings.
Mr. Daniel, what would happen or affect to all people if the trees in our country disappear?
Our trees always shields us during the really strong storms in our country. So if we use it, severe floods something might really happen or have an influence on our country or the people. Because of our leaders, bad things will happen to our country. Oxygen supply could also happen because of our trees. We breathe exceptionally pure air that gives us the oxygen we need in our everyday life.
What are the causes of wildfire?
Because of the high temperature of our planet's atmosphere, wildfires will occur. Less rains will increase the flames in our country's forests. Wildfires might happen because of the climate change, or it might be the illegal burning of trees of the people here in our country. Back to you, Raven.
Thank you so much, Mr. Daniel, to your giving us the beautiful news.
Waste management for our aquatic animal. Let's hear it from Miss Dula.
Sure, thank you, Ms. Laskitek. There is a lot of the waste that is spread around our nation, potentially having impact on your living animals due to the fact that comes from the rivers in your rivers can be eaten by your animals or landing on them, which will result in off the limit of the needs of our pets.
I just want to know, will it affect people? Give us a beautiful explanation about that.
Yes, it will have impact on people because other foods that people consume include marine animals like fish. Then fish eat garbage and we eat them. It can negatively impact your health and increase our risk of contracting disease because the food that fish it can end up on us. When a powerful typhoon approaches our country, the rivers in the ocean or water might generate a tremendous flood that can kill us if we drown from its force. This has impact on both the government and humans.
Thank you so much, Miss Jolan, and with your beautiful and clear report on the state of our nation.